Hi guys, welcome to another video of TechPoint. So today's news is coming from the Twitter handle of Realme Europe. Realme is setting up their European market for the launch of Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Zoom Edition. The new Realme X3 is coming with the Snapdragon 855 with 120Hz refresh rate display. The 4200 mAh battery is powered by 30-watt fast charging, and a 64 megapixel quad array camera is in the back rear side of the Realme X3 smartphone. The highlighting feature of this camera is it supports up to 60x hybrid zoom. Realme also teased an Astro mode, which Realme calls it the stray mode, which basically takes the long exposure shots for a good astrography photos. This smartphone is set to launch in 26th May 10:30 according to the European Times. So meanwhile, my thoughts on the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Zoom Edition is, even though the Realme smartphone is coming with the Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is the previous generation of this Snapdragon processor, I don't mind until they are providing the flagship features under a mid-range or a mid-flagship price. So bonus to this, we have some news from the Vivo X50. Currently, the new Vivo X50 might be the world's first smartphone to bring an inbuilt gimbal in a smartphone. The main reason this gimbal is different from other stabilizer is the use of 3D stabilizer. You can see in this video the stabilizer is controlled by the magnets and the camera is allowed to move both 2D and 3D directions. This helps in a greater stability and even never seen this kind of stabilization in any smartphones. So that's it for today guys. Let's meet you in another video.